Isoko wato uyelubro wate bakome merivo wajuma Wuhrẹ Emeware. When we read you will go through my videos, you will see what I've been doing, where I'm coming from before I get to this place. We have learned some and we are still learning. Okay, so please I beg you to follow my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. And always remember to comment, like, and share. My name is Ẹrẹunu. Type of Ẹrẹunu in all social media platforms, you will see me. You can also join me on my WhatsApp group if you are interested. You can support me, assist me in any way you can. Thank you. So let's move ahead to the business of the day. Kitchen. Ukoli kitchen. Ọraizi ha ọrauzi esina. Iru oyibo office work. Odiwu heaven. Eri. Hayo. Eriera. Hellfire. Omoboba, a baby. Hayomofa is also a baby. Uzoge hayo ovlawa, that is youth. Okpokwahe hayo okpokoza, a old man or a old woman. Ekbelobo ekbele bad. Ekbeloware bad thing. Then efwo cleanliness. Efwo. Then ogege or someone that is like owogege. Owoge is a foolish person. Ugege, foolishness. Owogege, a foolish person. Ugege, foolishness. And then Aremioyo, disobedience. Omo and Oma Aremioyo, that child is a disobedient child. Ebebe poverty. Ebebe uvu. Eyayare. You know those things. They mean poverty. Egbegbe, dirtiness. Okuri. I don't know how they pronounce that. Okuri, a fisherman. But the name one will not fisherman pass now. Opinye. Ewa, bush. Udu, farm. Ewa is also known as farm, like depends on what you are saying. But bush is ewa, farm, udu. And uji, stealing. Oji, criminal. Oyele, lazy person. Then eyoma, evil. Eyoma, evil. It's also not bad thing. Eyoma, gaga. This thing you did is very, very bad. Then umwemu sin. Uzioraha is also known as a sin. Okay. Then omukbahe hatred. Omukbahe hatred. Uyoyo love. Uyoyo love. I want to end my video, my teaching, and this my video here. See you in my next video. God bless you as you share, as you like, as you comment. Thank you. God bless.